Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to unmute yourself or anybody else in your meeting in Google Meet. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Meet website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see the left side screen, the multiple options that you have for either creating a new meeting for yourself or entering somebody else's meeting. If you want to join somebody else's meeting guys, all you have to do is go ahead and paste the code or link that they have sent you to their meeting right here. And after pasting the code, you will want to click this join button right here that will appear, and then you will successfully join their meeting. But guys, for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and create my own meeting. I'm going to do that by clicking the blue option right here called new meeting, and this will open up this new menu where you can either create a meeting for later or schedule one in Google Calendar. I'm going to go ahead and click on start instant meeting. So guys, after clicking on start instant meeting, now this will open up this new tab where you can see I can manage my meeting and I can see my screen that I'm sharing. So guys, let's say that I want to mute myself. How do you do that? Well, it's very easy guys. And all you need is to go ahead right here to the lower part of the page where your options are and go ahead and click on turn off microphone, which is the first option. Clicking on that guys, now you have successfully muted yourself and now nobody will be able to hear what you're saying during the meeting. So guys, if you want to be able to speak again, all you have to do is go right here back and click on turn on microphone, and then now everybody will be able to hear you again. But guys, if you want to mute and unmute other people, you will have to go right here to the lower right corner where your participants tab is and click that option right there. And here you want to click these three dots to anybody's name that you want to mute. Click the three dots right here and then click the mute option that will appear, and then you will successfully mute them. If you want to unmute them, just do the same, but click on unmute and then they will be able to speak again. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.